Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar and this video is the extension of this video. I posted this in the morning and in this video we talked about this extension, this Kickbacks AI, and we have showed the whole process through which you can set up the Kickbacks AI in your VS Code and you can generate the revenue while using the Claude Code or Codex. But the many people are commenting that they do not have Claude Code, they have Codex and show the Codex process, and many people still have like issue that they don't have pro plan. If you don't have a pro plan, I'll figure it out something, but in this video you're gonna see the process of Codex. So first of all you need to search for the install the VS Code. If you don't have the VS Code, go to this extension tab and search for Codex, and this extension by OpenAI, just install it. So as you can see that Codex has been installed. Now this is available here. For the many people it available here. You can check the like location. It can be available here also. So click on this and you can see that we need to sign in to the Codex. So I have already like opened the browser. Now click sign in with GPT. Okay, as you can see that my one account is already logged in, so I will click on it. If your account is not logged in the browser, you can like log into another account or you can create a new account also. So as you can see that the login has been done. Now click on the next. Okay, as you can see that it is open, and the process of installing this Kickbacks extension is the same in the last video. All you need to do is, let me show you. You need to go to this URL and copy this URL till double ampersand, and let me show you. Open a terminal anywhere in your computer and write this command in your terminal, and it will download the extension. As you can see that it is here, and now go to your VS Code. My bad. Go to your VS Code, go to extension tab, and over here you can select your local extension from here. If you will click on the install button, it will install. Then you need to, then here the Kickback extension will be in the red color. Click on here and you will be login via your browser. That's the simple process, that's all. Now go to GPT, and if you will like use the GPT, the extension will work. As we are creating a simple snake game in single HTML file, the ad should appear in some time. So as you can see that the thinking process is happening but the ad is not appearing. So we will stop this and we will close the VS Code so that all the extension get refreshed or reload when we like open the VS Code again. So we will open it again. If you will close the VS Code and reopen it, I will request you to click on this Kickbacks AI extension and then click on the reload extension now, because sometimes the ad is not appearing in the Codex on the first install. Then once it start appearing, it just appears, but you need to like restart the extensions. Now as you can see that the extensions are restarted, and now we will create a new session with Codex and let's see the ad appear or not. So as you can see that the ads appearing right away, you can see that, and it will generate the revenue as well. Let me show you the current revenue. As you can see that it started increasing also. So this is how you can use it in like VS Code with Codex also. And we made a video on the like Claude Code also earlier. You can watch this video. This was our first video and this video is our second video, and you can see that ads are appearing and this will generate the revenue as well. And now we will refresh, there will be some other revenue also. Okay, it will update in some time. So this is how you can use it. If you have any issue, please comment in the like comment section and I will try to resolve it. And for those people who do not have subscription to Codex and Claude Code, Don't worry, I'll figure it out something and we will do something. Don't worry. Thanks for watching.